I have our second AI tool here for you to have a go at. If you want to use this, just put food truck down in the comments and I'll send you the link. This is our promotion writer for Facebook. If you've got some kind of special deal, special promotion going on your food truck, then you can use this tool in order to write the copy for you. So you do not have to do any of that. You can focus on running your food truck because this is going to help you do your marketing very, very quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is test this out. So we're going to write a description of your special promotion. I'll go in and fix that typo for you in a second. So let's type that in. So just to save us some time, I've filled this out. So we've gone for free drink with any burger and fries. We're a gourmet burgers food truck and we're based in Hackney in London. So all you need to do is fill this out for yourself. And like I said, just comment food truck and you can try this for free for yourself. We hit the submit button and it's going to go through and it's going to analyze that and then it's going to write the post for you. So all you have to do is copy and paste this onto Facebook, put in an image, maybe take a photo of, burger and chips with a drink sitting next to it on your food truck, and then you can post this and you haven't had to write any of this yourself. So it says, hungry for a deal that hits the spot? We've got you covered at our gourmet food truck in Hackney. For a limited time, and you might want to squeeze a date in there, get a free drink with any burger, fries combo. Yes, you read that right. Chow down on our juicy mouth-watering burger paired with crispy fries, and we'll throw in your favourite drink on the house. Here's what waiting for you. Gourmet burgers packed with flavour, crispy golden fries, free refreshing drink with every burger and fries order. Find us in Hackney, London, and obviously you could actually put in the location you're going to be on that particular day, so the road name, your new fave spot for gourmet street eats. Don't miss out, swing by, grab your crew and feast on our tasty deal. Tag your foodie bestie and come hungry. And then it also includes some hashtags for you as well. So all you need to do is you can either highlight this and copy it, or you just hit the copy button here, paste it straight into Facebook, add an image, hit publish, and you haven't had to think about writing anything at all. All you've needed to do is put the information very briefly into these boxes, and everything else, including the emojis and the hashtags, is done for you. So all you need to do now, scroll down, go to the comment the word food truck. I'll send you the link to this and you'll be able to get access to our other mini AI tools like this. They're going to help you with your food truck business. We'll see you in the next one.